Tokenized RWAs are predicted to transform traditional finance in 2025. RWAs, tokenization. As financial institutions move from proof of concept to real-world implementation, tokenized real-world assets, RWAs, are on track to reshape traditional markets in 2025. With growing institutional interest and improving infrastructure, the year ahead could mark a turning point in bridging blockchain technology with mainstream finance. Last updated, February 20, 2025. Reporter, Rachel Wolfson. Reporter, Rachel Wolfson. About author. Rachel Wolfson has been covering the cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web3 sector since 2017. She has written for Forbes and Cointelegraph and is the host and founder of Web3 Deep Dive podcast. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. February 20, 2025 at 17:36 GMT+2. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Tokenization of RWA's real-world assets is becoming an important goal across major markets globally. In particular, this is being driven by the traditional financial TradFi sector. Research from Ernst & Young found that 50% of institutional investors have expressed specific interest in investing in tokenized assets. RWA tokenization refers to financial products and tangible assets minted on a blockchain network, allowing for increasing investor accessibility and better trading opportunities. The RWA market has expanded by 80% over the past 2 years and is expected to see strong growth moving forward. According to Standard Chartered, tokenized RWAs could reach $30.1 trillion by 2034. Most recently, the total RWA market recorded a new all-time high of $17.4 billion. Tokenized RWAs will flourish in 2025. Given the demand for tokenized RWAs, 2025 is predicted to be monumental for the sector's growth. Baji Illuminati, CMO of RWA tokenization platform Centrifuge, told Cryptonews that the crypto industry is currently witnessing a perfect alignment of forces that have been building for years. Regulatory clarity within U.S. major financial institutions are now moving beyond proof of concept to actual implementation plans, Illuminati said. Illuminati added that critical infrastructure like custodians and exchanges now support tokenized assets. For example, Elon Musk, the head of the Department of Government Efficiency (DOGE), is reportedly exploring implementations of blockchain technology in U.S. government operations to track and reduce federal spending. You might also like Elon Musk eyes blockchain as tool to overhaul government spending oversight report. The DOGE is also looking at using blockchain to secure data, make payments, and manage buildings as part of the organization's efficiency push. Every major sector is developing a tokenization strategy, Illuminati remarked. What makes 2025 different is that we have genuine demand from both sides of the market. Traditional finance wants better infrastructure, while crypto markets need reliable, stable yields. TradFi shows increasing interest in tokenized RWAs. As a result of this innovation, industry experts believe that institutional players will deepen their involvement in the RWA space. Aaron Chin, CEO of Injective Labs, told Cryptonews that RWAs will undoubtedly play a role in bridging traditional finance with decentralized finance, DeFi, making 2025 a defining moment for mainstream adoption. Real-world assets will have the biggest impact on traditional finance this year, Chin said. Tokenizing assets like bonds and equities will enhance market efficiency, improve liquidity, and streamline settlement. This will make markets more accessible while reducing counterparty risk. TradFi and tokenized RWA use cases. While the concept is still relatively new, tokenized RWA and TradFi use cases are quickly emerging. For example, Taurus, a digital asset infrastructure firm backed by Deutsche Bank, recently launched an enterprise-grade custody and tokenization platform. Known as Taurus Capital, the platform is built on the Solana blockchain to serve global financial institutions seeking to build tokenized asset solutions. The integration will allow banks and issuers to securely custody and stake any Solana-native tokenized assets via the firm's custody platform, Taurus Protect. Jürgen Hofbauer, head of global strategic partnerships at Taurus, believes that this integration will enable Taurus banking and enterprise clients to access a number of tokenized assets like bonds and equities, while minimizing costs and operational complexities. Richard Jendal-Brown, founding chief technology officer at Web3, told Cryptonews that the firm's tokenization platform, Corda, has live, in-production solutions for regulated financial markets. He mentioned that Corda is trusted by the world's largest banks and financial market infrastructures. According to Jendal-Brown, Web3's Corda was used as the basis for the United Kingdom's Regulated Liability Networks (UK RLN) experimentation phase. This project brought together 11 of the country's largest banking and payments providers, leveraging Corda to connect diverse forms of money on a single network, including tokenized central and commercial bank deposits, he said. Jendal-Brown noted that the final results of the project were published last September. Findings demonstrate a comprehensive API for the tokenization platform to interact with all forms of money. Crucially, this demonstrated that an RLN could deliver significant benefits in real-world applications, including potentially reducing payment fraud and streamlining complex transactions, such as property purchases, he commented. Industry collaborations like this are shaping future digital economies by providing a roadmap for implementing asset tokenization to streamline legacy processes and operations. Advancements around tokenized RWAs. While it's clear that traditional financial institutions have begun leveraging tokenization, advancements are being made to drive adoption. Sebastian Obscor, CMO at Tokenization Hub RWA.io, told Cryptonews that the RWA tokenization space remains highly fragmented. Hundreds of projects exist, but they struggle to connect with investors, find the right infrastructure, and navigate the ecosystem, Obscor said. He explained that RWA.io solves this by bringing everything together in one place, making tokenized assets available to anyone, globally. RWA.io enables this by allowing projects to create a public profile, find liquidity, connect with investors, and access infrastructure. As projects grow, organizations can integrate with blockchains, index funds, and more, making their tokens easily investable. Essentially, RWA.io bridges the gap between projects and investors, ensuring everyone has what they need to succeed, Obscor said. In addition, Jendal-Brown explained that Web3 Digital Markets is a product suite leveraging Corda to enable RWA tokenization for real-world benefits. It was developed to help financial institutions and corporations accelerate their digitalization journey towards production, lowering costs, and widening market access, he said. For instance, the Web3 Digital Lab enables organizations to track digital solution development. This lets projects skip the proof-of-concept phase and move directly to production-ready validation. The Web3 Digital Currency supports central banks and financial institutions looking to integrate digital currencies and their benefits into client offerings. Challenges may slow adoption, but hopes remain high. Although advancements are being made, Obscor pointed out that tokenized RWAs will not transform TradFi immediately. TradFi is massive, and there are still main challenges that exist for RWA projects around compliance, technology, liquidity, marketing, and operations, he said. But the biggest initial hurdle for projects is compliance and finding jurisdictions that allow tokenization. And changes in regulations are just never-ending. And while hopes remain high for crypto-friendly regulations in the US, Obscor believes that the most progress around tokenization of RWAs is occurring in regions such as Dubai, Germany, and the UK. Liquidity remains another challenge. Obscor remarked that many tokenized RWA projects need investors, while investors need tradable, liquid assets and tokens. Yet all things considered, Illuminati remains confident that 2025 will be the breakout year for tokenized RWAs. She explained this is because of notable events that occurred in 2024, such as BlackRock's launch of BUIDL. This put tokenization on the radar of every asset manager, while MakerDAO's $1 billion Grand Prix provided the answer to why now. Those foundational pillars, the institutional stamp of approval from the world's largest asset manager paired with a real demand driver, built up massive excitement, she remarked. As 2025 progresses, many industry participants will watch closely to see whether tokenized RWAs can truly streamline financial operations and attract broader institutional involvement. If regulatory conditions evolve and liquidity challenges are addressed, tokenized assets could become increasingly integral to global finance. While hurdles remain, the momentum around RWAs suggests a new chapter in how real-world value is exchanged and managed on blockchains. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Metaplanet announces 10-for-1 stock split to improve market accessibility. Pundit who predicted XRP's crash now says it's ready to soar. How high can XRP go? Dogecoin, Doge price approaches key technical level. Here's where it's headed next. Blockchain news. SEC withdraws appeal after court rejects expanded crypto oversight rule. 10 hours ago. By Jimmy Aki. Blockchain news. SEC acknowledges spot XRP ETF application. 1 day ago. By Jimmy Aki. Blockchain news. Brazil approves world's first spot XRP ETF by Hashdex. 1 day ago. By Hassan Shitu. Best crypto to buy now in February 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. New crypto coins to invest in February 2025. 1 day ago. By NSS, Tavares. 9 best crypto pre-sales to invest in now. Upcoming token sales. November 5, 2024. By Meb Keelikutty. 11 new upcoming Coinbase listings in February 2025. February 5, 2025. By Isan El Madkouri. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 1 day ago. By NSS, Tavares. Next crypto to explode. Top 10 coins in February 2025. September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2034. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH reach $5,000? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.